Read the newspaper, do you? Remember this headline? Private hospitals make you buy costly drugs. Did you know branded drugs are 5 times more expensive than generic drugs? Often, patients are charged 1000% more than what they should be by hospitals when they prescribe costlier drugs. So, what is the solution to this? The solution is to educate yourself. The solution is to know the prices of these drugs. The solution is to know your drugs. Hi, my name is Sateja, founder at Know Your Drugs. Who are we? We are a website. We are an exhaustive, bias-free database of all the medications in the Indian market for high-end diseases. We are the solution to the problem. Let us first take a look at who our customers are. 1.3 billion people, that is the population of India. Of these, 82.5 million people suffer from high-end diseases, meaning diseases where costly drugs and recurring expensive treatment is required. Of these 82.5 million people, we have divided our customers into 3 segments. We are currently targeting the 60%, that is the lower income segment of these 82.5 million people. We eventually hope to expand this product to the rest of the world, where we include a database for all medications currently present. After identifying our target customers, we decided that it was time to get our product out at the earliest. So we put up a website which kind of highlighted the problem about corruption in hospitals and how the solution is informed patients. And on the other side, we had a simple form wherein you would tell us your name, basic information about you like your email ID. You would also let us know what your medical condition is. So you would type in your medical condition. You would let us know what drug you have been prescribed by the hospital or the doctor, and any additional information, say if you're pregnant or if you suffer from certain allergies or if you want to avoid certain side effects, and then you would send across this form. Within 24 hours, we would get back to you with details about the drug you've been prescribed and whether there are alternatives available and whether they are cheaper than the drug you have been prescribed. After our MVP, we conducted a survey amongst 50 people and saw that 70% of them saw an actual need for this product, while 30% were unaware that this problem actually existed. As for our MVP, we managed to reach 100 people and we had 10 repeat users. The MVP helped establish that there definitely was a need for this product. So we began to develop a very basic version of our website where we just had the home and contact us. We had a search feature wherein we had a drop-down menu wherein you could type the name of the drug you've been prescribed, say Advate. So you would type Advate and you would click on it. As soon as you click on it, there are 2 options you receive, so get details or find alternatives. If you go to get details, it tells you about the disease for which this is, whether it's branded or generic, the company that manufactures it, the price range, the dose, the dosage form, and known side effects. So all information relevant to this drug. If you go to find alternatives based on the active pharmaceutical ingredient, we recommend alternatives, and we just quickly show you what the price range is and whether it's a branded or generic drug. Now you can go through this list and choose whichever one you think is right for you, depending on, say, the price range. So if you go to Novo 7, it again tells you the price range, it tells you side effects, it tells you how it is injected into your body, and it tells you whether it's branded or generic and the disease it's for. If you go back to the home page, there is a section called Contact Us, wherein very simply you can enter your name, your email ID, your subject, and whatever query you may have depending upon the drug you've been prescribed, and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. Talking about advancements for this website, we eventually want to include a sort by or filter option to make it easier for the consumer. Just a quick look at the competition. There are a few other websites which do a similar thing. However, the reason Know Your Drugs was established was because there was no exhaustive and bias-free database that we found. Also, Know Your Drugs does not have any login or membership, so it provides immediate information to the patient at the earliest, unlike the other websites today. Here's a look at our team. There are 5 of us, 2 people who are engaged in database development who are constantly updating it. We have a website developer from Pune and a mentor from the biopharma industry who is guiding us throughout. So the best part about this team is that we're all here free of cost, either as interns or because we believe in the cause, which is why there isn't an immediate need for revenue. Very early on, through our mentor, we actually managed to get 2 oncologists from Hyderabad on board to endorse our idea. We plan to launch the website on December 15th, so then we will also set up an AdSense account wherein we would also have advertisements displayed on our website, but until then, there is no source of revenue. The ultimate goal for this company is acquisition by June 2017, either by SBI Life Insurance, wherein we would help them advise their customers based on medical treatment costs, or by 1MG, wherein we would collaborate with them based on our database. We realized that acquisition was the only way we could reach a large number of people within a short amount of time, so this product is actually able to help people.